Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best crimping tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pexflow PXKT10012 cutter and crimper set for Pex. Heading today's first and the heaviest crimping tool for Pex, with Pexflow PXKT10012. Not only weighs 21 pounds alone, including a scissor shear cutter, lead-free brass barbed elbow fitting, and straight coupling fitting tools, tubing clamp rings, and more in a sturdy, convenient carrying toolbox. From homeowners to pros, each level user can benefit from this high-quality PEX plumbing bundle. Even more from our major focused crimper that comes with a safety lock hook. As a plus point, if you want to cut the excessive pipe length with a scissor-shaped cutter, a spring-loaded handle can work it out. For instance, for further fittings, working at 90 degrees, the lead-free brass barbed elbow or straight coupling, nothing can destroy the fittings, even ensuring no further calibration and rust-free issues. Another tubing, clamps coil, and cinch clamp rings for 1/2 pipes help in its 100 feet under the surface installation without damaging PEX. Moving on at number 4, we have the IWISS pipe clamp and crimping tool for PEX. Copper fittings or for steel type, any materials made pipe tightening, apply IWISS clamp, and crimping tool for PEX. Only look after the pipe crimp band sizes, though it is universal and met ASTM F2098. With these host of inbuilt features, go-no-go gauge is much noticeable. Speaking of this special pavilion, the tool is going for the right size PEX or not. As if the auto adjustment and safety you can enjoy with it, even no guessing work. Moreover, the smartest and compact design, 40 graded steel in construction, with rust prevention, ensures its longevity. With wire EDM cutting, the internal teeth have processed for greater cinch results out of the factory. At number 3, we have the iCrimp Ratchet Crimping Tool for PEX. One of the greatest PEX connections crimping tools, ranging from 3/8 to 1 inch. It comes with 20 pieces of crimping accessories, offering the biggest versatility in making top-notch PEX pipe connections. However, this sturdy crimper, forged into a single piece by oil, prevents steel in construction. This awesome durability, along with exceptional features, has met ASTM 2098 standard and is compatible with branded SS-made clamps. If you plan to apply it on thin single ear hose clamps, the opening jaws length can catch it. Even the jaws have precision with wire EDM cutting. A perfect ratchet design, cinch capability, rust-free overtime service, and self-release mechanism make it stand out from the regular crowd. At number 2, we have the IWISS F1807 Angle Head Combo Crimping Tool for PEX. Next, clamp and crimping tool from IWISS for both PEX and copper rings. But this time, we are dealing with angle-headed, which has met ASTM F1807. In all, if you are searching for a combo package at your tight budget, you can select this. Including 10 pieces of 3/4 inch PEX cutter, another 20 pieces of 0.5 copper rings have been included in the same carrying box. Means to suit numerous copper crimp band sizes with well-polished 3 interchangeable jaws, and work without damaging. On top of that, this one has configured the similar no-go gauge system like the previous IWISS model for saving users time. However, the rubber handle brings comfy, whether you need to reach tight or less confined areas. For example, we have used these PEX crimp accessories without any calibration needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Kotto PEX Crimping Tool for PEX. At last, we have found an original multifunctional tool, which has met the ASTM 2098 standard. Irrespective of its manufacturer, This SS-made, less corrosion over time makes PEX connections easy, as well as the cinching. Its ratchet design fixes from 3/8 to 1-inch clamp band size. Therefore, no need for recalibration, as well as self-adjustments, while operating in the future. Unique manganese steel produces its strength while operating in a little depth of surface, like plumbing. Anyways, its removable cinched clamps feature is as useful as it was while operating the same pipe. How about the rubber-coated handle? Increased strain-free working capacity for long hours. Even its red-colored surface makes it a more attractive crimping tool for PEX, better than other models to us in that case. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.